In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI rules in Asana. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Asana account. Start by heading to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. Look for the section called Projects. This is where all of your existing projects are listed. Choose the project where you want to use AI rules and click on it. This will open up the project on your main screen so you can start configuring it. Once your project is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a drawer panel will slide out from the right side of the screen. In this panel, look for the Rules section. Click on Rules and then select Add or the plus icon. After a moment, a new page or panel will load and you'll see a dedicated field where you can enter an AI prompt. This is where you'll tell Asana's AI what you want it to do. Now, in that prompt field, type out a clear and actionable instruction for the AI. Think of it like giving directions to a teammate who has never seen your project before. You'll want to include details such as how tasks should be named, what kind of task descriptions you want, and whether you need subtasks created. It also helps to specify who tasks should be assigned to, or at least which roles or teams are responsible. Don't forget to mention due dates, like how far from the triggered date task should be scheduled, and any priorities or custom fields that matter for your workflow. The more specific and structured your prompt is, the more reliable your AI rule will be. When you're happy with your prompt, press Enter on your keyboard. Asana will now open the rule editor, and you'll see an AI chat box appear. This is where you can refine things further. If something is missing or not quite right in your initial prompt, use this chat to adjust the rule. You can clarify wording, tweak conditions, or fine-tune how tasks are generated or updated. Take a moment to review the rule so it matches exactly how you want your process to run. Once everything looks good and your rule behaves the way you expect, go to the top right corner of the rule editor and click Publish Rule. Your AI rule is now active in your project and ready to automate your work.